everyone, hope you're all tickety-boo. Today what we're going to be doing is balancing the Canon EOSR with the EF 16-35 f4 lens on this little beauty, the Weebill 2, and seeing whether or not it'll work for you. But before I do, here's today's little joke. What is a plumber's favourite shoe? Clogs, of course.
You should see the look on your face! I got you so good!
Anyway, let's get into those measurements. So on the base plate here, we've got 8.3 and 3.7. Let's have a closer look at that. On the very bottom one here, the adjuster here, you've got 1.9. Let's have a closer look at that one. And on the side one here, you've got 0.6 and 2.5. That's 0.6 and 2.5. Have a closer look at that one. Right, tickety-boo in it. That one balanced really easily. And now, if you've got that set up, you've got the measurements for future use, haven't you? Hopefully you found this one useful, and hopefully you had a bit of fun with the joke at the beginning. And again, if you've got any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below, and I promise I will always get back to you. That's it for the day, everyone. Have fun making stuff. Keep smiling. Till next time. Cheers and gone.